Happy Motivational Monday, everyone, where we deep clean, declutter, and reorganize one small space a day, Monday through Friday. We take the weekends off, yay. This week, we are continuing working on deep cleaning to get ready for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. Most importantly right now, Thanksgiving. So let's go through our list for this week. Day one this week, super easy. I left the lights off on this so it'd be easier to film, although it still seems to not want to focus. There we go. We are doing that ceiling fan, cleaning all the ceilings and all of the cobwebs. My cleaning style, as most of you know who have followed us along for a while, I very much do top to bottom. So my goal is to start with the top and work my way down. Plus, honestly, cleaning ceilings and ceiling fan and cobwebs in the corners is something that can easily be done ahead of time, because whenever you're getting ready to rush and cooking and all that, then you can worry about the rest of it. And I will be honest, that's what the rest of it looks like right now. So our goal is, like I said, I can't show the kids cleaning anymore because of new safety policies. They will clean up what's theirs to clean right here. I'll do the rest. Then we'll work on the ceilings, ceiling fans, and all that in here. Then we'll work our way around the house and do the whole house. So the goal today is to get the whole house, ceilings and ceiling fans, dusted. Because also, like, one of my pet peeves is I can't stand when I have cobwebs in my house, because I know they're there, and when company comes over, if there's one there, I will see it. I won't tell them, but I will see it in my house, not in like everybody else's house, in my own personal house. Because then I'm like, oh no, that's something I forgot to clean. My own little personal thing. So in the comments below, what is one thing that like somebody can come over and not see, but you'll know if it's not clean or not in your own house whenever you have people over? But let's get started. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna try to film showing you that we're gonna clean this, what we use. Then I'm honestly probably just gonna cheat and use the vacuum on the rest of it. Day two, we are gonna be working our way down from doing cobwebs, and we are doing just picture frames and pictures. Doesn't seem like a lot, but I've got quite a few pictures everywhere. So we're gonna start with just those, dry dusting the ones that can't have wet on them, and the ones that do have glass on them, we're going to use just a smidge of glass cleaner to get them cleaned up and looking pretty. Day three this week is also Veterans Day. Happy Veterans Day to all of our veterans. Because their school automatically scheduled them off, we decided to do a baking day. Apparently that's become our thing, is if school schedule's off, we do baking. So you can hear the fans behind me. So on top of getting caught up on kitchen work and doing some muffin baking, we make some to also freeze ahead for like several weeks out for breakfast. And they seem to reheat just fine in the microwave if you put them in Ziplocs appropriately. We have found that the cheap Ziplocs do not do well, so you definitely want to get freezer bags. But on top of everything else, we're doing windows. We have quite a few windows, including this huge one. Thankfully, my teenager loves doing windows and she does an excellent job on it. So we've decided to divide and conquer. She's going to do half and I'm going to do half. Day 4, we're going to be dusting shelves. Now this is another one where I can divide it up between people and we all take turns doing it, because I have 1 or 2 of them that actually really love doing this chore, especially with the microfiber tiles that we have. So we're going to do all the surfaces in all the rooms, including wiping down like electronics, Wi-Fi boxes, things of that nature. So we're going to get all of these finished off today. Day 5 this week, we are taking out the trash cans. It's Friday, and we are going to be cleaning the trash cans today. So this one will actually have to have its lid cleaned and cleaned out. The inside of it was recently cleaned. We do that fairly regularly, especially when it's raining, because it's easy. You just stick it outside and let it rain fall into it while there's already soap in it. And there's also some trash and needs tied up around it from where we went grocery shopping today. But this is another divide and conquer. They each have a trash can they're responsible for, and they help wipe them down, wash their hands thoroughly when they're done. They can use gloves if they want to. But she's gonna take care of the kitchen trash, and I'm gonna go take care of mine, and we're gonna gather it up and get trash taken off. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.